Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of reading. Whether you're a bookworm or a casual reader, reading can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Part 1. Expands knowledge. Reading expands your knowledge on various subjects, including history, science, and culture. It helps you understand the world better and makes you a more informed and interesting person. Part 2. Improves language skills. Reading improves your language skills, including vocabulary, grammar, and communication. It helps you express yourself more effectively and enhances your writing skills. Part 3. Enhances critical thinking. Reading enhances your critical thinking skills, allowing you to analyze information, evaluate ideas, and make informed decisions. Part 4. Boosts imagination. Reading boosts your imagination, creativity, and innovation. It exposes you to new ideas, perspectives, and worlds, helping you think outside the box. Part 5. Reduces stress. Reading reduces stress and anxiety by transporting you to a different world, relaxing your mind, and improving your mental well-being. Part 6. Improves focus. Reading improves your focus, concentration, and discipline. It trains your mind to stay focused and engaged. Part 7. Conclusion. In conclusion, reading is a powerful tool that can transform your life. It expands your knowledge, improves your language skills, enhances critical thinking, boosts imagination, reduces stress, and improves focus. So, pick up a book today and start reading. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, like and subscribe for more content on reading and personal growth.